Hey everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video here. I'm working on my 2011 Honda Odyssey, 4th gen Honda Odyssey. Um, Lots of video tutorials online on how to get a front engine mount out. Uh, and they all talk about disassembling a lot of parts and try to squeeze it between this hole right here. I tried that, it failed. I ordered a service, the official service manual from Rock Auto, uh, and it told me to remove the fan shrouds, and I can have good access to it. This is true. So, just wanted to post a video here to let y'all know you can disassemble the fan, disassemble the radiator, drain just a little bit of your radiator fluid, put some new coolant in it. You can disconnect the hose here, unscrew all the mounts here, unscrew the fan shrouds from the radiator, and push the radiator back, pull them out, and now you have full access to your front engine mount. I also bought an 18-inch extension. That's helped a lot. But yeah, now you have really good access to it, and you can get it out of there without disassembling your entire motor. So, thanks for watching.